Reason number 6 is, how do you do your stock picking? So, do you do stock picking based on some WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel or news or maybe even YouTubers? YouTubers might be helping you learn some concepts, they might be helping you teaching a particular how to do research. But if you solely rely on them for your stock picking, you need to ask yourself, is it safe? Is it safe to put your hard earned money based on just YouTuber recommendation? In my opinion, it is not. And most often there is a conflict of interest. You will see all these YouTubers have a lot of paid content, paid promotion. So when they already have a conflict of interest, is it safe that you put your hard-earned money based on their recommendation? And I've seen people ask about which stocks to buy or sell, or about their current holdings in the comment section of these YouTubers. So this not is it's not just a problem, it's like you are investing without having proper confidence. So that is not the right way to invest, in my opinion. So this could be a reason why many retail investors make mistake.